Welcome back to our draw tutorial for kids.
We're going to start with our paper vertical, and that's because we're going to draw our minion really tall, right?
Yeah.
And so it'll work best if we have our paper this way, but you can do it this way if you want. It'll just be a little bit smaller, right? If you were to draw it this way. Okay, so the first step is we're going to start with his eyes, and I think you should draw a minion with one eye, and I'm going to draw one with two eyes, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you're going to draw a circle in the middle of your paper towards the top, and I'm going to draw two circles right next to each other, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to draw them about this size. You could draw yours
Bigger.
a lot bigger, yeah. Here we go, and with mine, I'm going to try and draw them the same size. All right, now we're going to draw a circle on the outside of these, and I'm going to connect them. So they're going to connect right here and right here. So you're going to just draw one all the way around, and you can draw yours either on the inside if you feel like you drew yours too big, or you could draw it on the outside if you want, either way. And then I'm going to draw mine on the outside so that I can connect the outside circles like this. Is that cool? That looks like they're intersecting in the middle. We'll get a little wobbly. You want to try and keep that same distance all the way around, but I got a little close over there. Okay, so now let's draw his pupils on the inside. You're going to draw one, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to draw two. So I'm going to draw mine right here. Draw a circle, and another circle over here. And I'm also going to add the pupil inside. And we've drawn a minion before, huh? But we drew it a long time ago for one of the first Despicable Me movies. And because the new movie came out, we thought we'd redo the video for we'd redo the lesson. And the last lesson, or the old lesson that we drew before, we just used our woodies, right? Our crayons. And so this time we're going to use our Sharpies, so it's going to look a little cooler. All right, you ready to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. All right, now we're going to draw his body. So if you wanted to, you can either draw a short body, so it's a really short minion, or you could draw a really tall minion. And I'm going to draw kind of an in-between minion. So I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to put a little dot right here so I know where I'm going to start, and I'm going to stop in the same spot, same distance down like this. And we want a little space up here, so we're going to connect. So I'm going to put a little guide points so that I know where I'm going. But that's where we're going to go, and then we're going to go over the top and then come back through those, okay? All right, so on yours, the important thing with yours is you don't want to get your minion really skinny, because with the one eye, he's got a little bit more space on his body. So you want to come up here and connect about there, and you want about the same distance on this side. So about like that. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So see how I'm a lot closer to my eyes? You're going to have a little more space if you draw just the one eye. So we're going to start down here, and go up, go over, doing a big upside down U, and then come back down through that point, and then back down over here. He already looks like a minion, huh? All right, so there we go. We got his body. So now what we can do is we could do his hair. And minions have all different kinds of hair. You could do like just a little spikes in the middle. You could do it so it's combed down. It looks like it's wet. I'm going to just draw a crazy one. So I'm going to draw crazy hair. It's just kind of spikes everywhere. So you can do whichever one you want, Checkers. That's awesome. All right, okay, so now let's draw the goggle straps on the side. So we're just going to put two lines that come out the side and two lines that come out the side over here. We're going to try and keep it easy, nice and simple. We could put more details in there. I think there is. You could do a little line that comes down the side if you want. And this part will be silver like the goggles, and then this part will be brown or black. Good, that looks awesome. Okay, now let's connect him down here. Let's start building his clothes, okay? So we're going to draw a line in the middle that curves. It's got a little curve to it. It's going to look like his mouth, but it's not his mouth. So that's the top of his overalls. Good. Okay, now we're going to draw the strap that comes down over his shoulders. So we're going to start at an angle, come down and connect. And we can come a little further inside that line, and we're going to do it on both sides, okay? Like that. Good. And then we're going to draw a little line, comes down for the end of the strap, and then we're going to draw the strap back. It goes back over his shoulders. We'll do the same on this side. The strap that comes down, the end of the strap, and then go back over his shoulders. Then we can put a little dot right in here for his button on both sides. Good job. Okay, now we're going to come down off of, we're going to imagine the front part of his overalls going behind the strap and then coming down. We're going to do the same over here on this side. Good job. Okay, now we're going to leave that alone. We're going to come over here and we're going to do his first arm, and we're going to just draw a curved line that comes down. And we could do a lot of different things with his arms, right? We could make him coming up and waving. We could have him behind his back. And they're really easy to draw in different positions once you kind of figure out how to draw them. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to draw his arm coming up. And I came a little too low with that line. This line shouldn't be there, but that's okay. We're practicing, right? So this arm's going to be up, and I'm going to have him pointing. Good. Now we'll draw the inside of his arms. So we'll draw another line that comes over here, down, and then the other side of this arm coming up and ending at the same distance right there. Good job. That looks awesome. All right, okay, now let's draw the bottom part of his body. And so we're going to connect the arms. So we're going to come down, and then we're going to curl under. And I'm going to come over here and start curling this side too. And then we'll connect them down here at the bottom. Curve around all the way to the other side. We're almost done. Look at that. He looks so cool, man. Keep going. Good job. All right, and then we can end his overalls over here. And his arm on this side, and then the same on this side. Good job. All right, let's get that pocket in there. He's got one pocket right in the middle. So we'll draw the top of the pocket, and then we'll connect each side with a big U. Like that. Okay, now, we can put the G on there for the old movies, right? So we'll put a circle in the middle of his pocket. Okay? And on the old lesson that we did, we didn't do the G, did we?
Yeah.
We left it off. Good job. Okay, now let's do a diamond right in the middle of this. So we can put a point there, a point here, and a point on the side of each of the circle, and then connect those points. So we have a diamond right in the middle. Good job. And then right in the middle of that, we're going to draw another circle, and it's going to get small. Or actually, just draw a C. And it's okay if you did the whole thing. And then we'll come back in. We got to do the G on this side. We're going to fill a little top, and we'll draw a line that goes across so that it looks like a G, like that. So you could just draw a line that comes out of your circle, and that's okay. Just leave it like that. Good job. That looks awesome. And then let's color in the outside of that circle, but leave the G white. We did it. Looks awesome, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty easy, G. So next time you can practice, you could not fill in that circle all the way, and then that'll let you get the part that goes in. That looks good though. I like it a lot. All right, dude, what should we draw next?
Mouth.
The mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, so with Minions, they have lots of different expressions, right? And you could draw a mouth just like a straight line. You could do a little circle. You could also draw a smiley face, or you could draw him like he's confused and like a frowny face, like he's saying, what?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna draw a little smile, and it's gonna be off to the side. So I'm gonna draw like this, off to the side, and then I'm gonna draw also the bottom of his mouth, like this. And then I'm gonna draw his little teeth in there too. So I'm going to draw little U's that are in here, like this, and then an upside down U here for those bottom teeth, like that. Oh, I love it, dude. He looks so confused. That looks awesome. That is a perfect Minion expression. He's gone. He's really confused. All right, now what should we draw?
His arms.
His arm or his hands?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's draw this first glove over here. We're going to draw a line that connects to the top of his arm. Okay. Then we're going to draw two lines on each side, and they're coming in, and this is for the bottom part of his glove, okay? Then we're going to draw an upside down 6. This is kind of tricky. Come up here, and we're going to circle around, and that's going to look like his thumb, and he's going to be pointing a finger up, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, now we're going to draw that finger that's coming up. We only have 3 fingers, right? Draw that first upside down U, this first finger, then we'll come back around, we're going to draw the other finger right here on the side. Then we can connect in that bottom glove if there's a little gap. Cool. Now, if we ever go too fast in our videos, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yes, you guys can always pause the video and then catch up. All right, let's draw his other hand over here, okay? I'm going to draw this a little bit longer. So it looks like because they have pretty long arms, actually, and they kind of hang below their bodies. So now we're going to draw a line that connects this one. It's almost the same steps. And then we'll draw those 2 lines that come in for the glove. Good job. Okay, now we're going to come down and we'll do one curl. It's kind of a J. All right, and then we're going to draw another curl right here. We'll come back in. Good, and we'll draw his little thumb. That's right here. Perfect, that looks so good. All right, okay, now let's draw his legs. We've got little pants that stick out down here, so I'm going to draw a line here that comes right below this line on his overalls, and then another line on this side for the other side of the leg. So that'll give her a couple square space there. And then on the inside, we're going to draw 3 more lines that are kind of close together, like that, inside his legs, and then we'll connect these lines at the bottom. That's pants. All right, okay, now let's draw his shoes. Draw a little hook on this side and a hook on this side. Good. You went all the way around, but that's okay. That's all right. Keep going. And then I'm going to draw his heels on the side. I'll do it kind of like how you did it. How about that? Come back around. Good. And then we're going to connect these, both sides. And then it kind of looks like they're wearing dress shoes. So we're going to put a little heel or a sole on the bottom of the shoes like this, on each side. Like that. Okay, we're missing one other thing. We can put his pockets. They got little pockets on the side right here. And we're done, dude. Good job, man. 3-5. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Should we color?
Yeah.
Should we look way cooler if it's yellow?
Yeah.
Here. Or let's pick out our colors. Okay. All right, checkers, we got our colors picked out, but we forgot one thing. We got to do some eyelids, huh?
Yeah.
So a lot of times with the Minions, you can see their eyelids just coming over the top of their eyes. I'm going to do one over here and one on the side. That. You can also do some eyelids on the bottom, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And you can use the eyelids to make them do different expressions too, right? So if you wanted to make them look really angry, you can make those eyelids coming down really far. Or if you're really confused one, you can also do one that you can do like an eyelid that came really low horizontal. Awesome. Alright, dude, so we got our colors picked out, and we got light gray, we got a black, a blue, brown, and a yellow. And we're not gonna do a whole lot of crazy shading. We're just gonna color it in nice and solid. So we'll fast forward the whole thing. Check out how. Okay, ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's do it right now. Good job, man. It looks super awesome. Give me 5. You did a good job, dude. I'm really proud of that. Really confused. I think it's fun when you're trying to because you can mix and match on different parts. Two eyes, or one eye, you draw really tall. We draw really, really short, too. That's one thing you can do. You can also draw your hand and their expressions looking different. Their hair looking different. You can also draw a bunch of minions all together. All one piece of paper. We can turn it this way. We can draw him a lot smaller. We can do 3 of them, like from the movie, right? So we can draw a really tall one with 2 eyes. We can draw a really short one with 2 eyes, and then kind of medium one.